as your body is allowing you to do. Okay, at any time if it's hurting, then just come out of that pose and just be relaxed. So we'll start with uh, loosening up the joints. So rotate your neck right to left slowly. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Change direction left to right. Up. Breathe in. Right. Down. Breathe out. Up. Breathe in. Down. Breathe out. One more time. Up. Breathe in. Down. Breathe out. Now shoulders back. Rotate your shoulders backward slowly. Big circles. We're trying to loosen up all the joints, muscles. Forward. Keep breathing in, breathing out. When chest expanding, breathe in. When chest contracting, breathe out. Arms forward. Go backward. Okay, hands on your shoulder. Come forward, bicep touching your ears, then elbows touching, then shoulder blade touching on the back. Breathe in, breathe out. Go backward, elbows touching, bicep touching to your ears, shoulder blade touching on the back. Elbows front and back. Rotate your elbows in one direction, change direction. Your wrists in one direction, change direction. Your fingers, your thumb. Now just keep feet shoulder width apart, hands on your waist. Keep your feet and head still and pivot your waist around it. Make a big circle. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Other way around. Okay, hands on your knees or just above your knees. Keep your feet together and still now and rotate clockwise like this. You will hear the crackling of the bones, all the airs between your joints. We are trying to take them out, loosen our joints anti-clockwise. Okay, now open, close, open, close, open, close. Now outside in, other way around. Okay, stand up, lift up your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. You can balance by holding your waist or just hold to something if you can't. Change direction, up, down, sideways. Change your leg, left leg up, rotate ankles in one direction. Change direction, up, down, sideways. That's it. Now shake your body and then slowly start jogging. When you are jogging, make sure you're doing arm movements, leg movements, entire bodies. We are trying to slowly get going. Just keep jogging in. And then slowly we'll increase the speed. You can jog around the space if you have enough space, forward, backward, sideways. It's just, just moving around. Breathing, breathe out through your nose. Now slowly, hands, high knees, slap your thighs with your palm. Okay, heels back. Normal jogging, increase the speed. Okay, alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Keep jogging. Then go jumping. Pretend forward skipping. Backward skipping. Start jumping again. Star jump. Normal jogging, jumping. And then slow down. Relax. If your calf muscles are stiff, just loosen them up. Just relax. We'll do breathing. So feet together, palm on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down, touching your feet. Come up, arms up, breathe in. On your toe, hold, breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, next one we'll do continuous movement. We'll do front. So 16 time jumping front, then left first, right second, 16 time, both and 16 time and up, and then combination of all four. Those who are new, you can just copy me how I'm doing. So सतत योग प्रकार दो करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up. Check your legs, keep breathing in, breathing out. Hands together, arms up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Okay, we'll do some more breathing, wood chopper breath. So keep shoulder width apart, feet, pretend like you're holding an axe, arms up, breathe in, and exhale through your mouth. And bend your knees if you can. Exhale through your mouth. When you're done, just relax. Hold your breath for some time because we did lots of breath and then enough oxygen supplied to the blood. Feel the vacuum. Now you can be standing up. It's okay. I'm doing sit down because you can then see me properly. Now next one is pumping Bhastrika. So hands on your side, arms up, fist open, breathe in, down, breathe out. It should be deep, long, breathe in and breathe out, only through your nose, no mouth. Keep your mouth closed. 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Start. When you're done, relax. Just hold your breath for some time if you can. Now our body is nicely warmed up from inside, outside, everywhere. Now we can just do some stretching before we do the Surya Namaskar. So just stand, relax, neck up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out, back to front, to left. You can feel, your parts of the body is warm. That way, the stretching is working out to right. That's why we shouldn't do directly stretching, on a cold body. Right arm across, push your with other hand, because if you do with a cold body, it won't work effectively. Left arm across, right arm up, push from elbow back and try to hold your hands in the back. Left arm up, push from elbow, try to hold your hand from back. Okay, we'll do this sideways four times both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do back twisting, so loosening up the spine. Breathe in, breathe out to left, right. Breathe in front to your left. Hold your hips when you look back. Breathe in front. We'll do 2 more times both side. Right, front, left, front. One more time, right, front, left, front. Okay, I'll put the camera a bit down now. Now keep some distance between your feet, roughly the distance of your length from waist to the heels toe. Right hand touching the left ankle, left hand up and look up. Similarly, other side. Four times both side. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now go on your right side. Just relax, relax, and then slowly go down. Sit down. Hold your big toe of the other leg. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring. Breathe in up. Now left side, left side. Stretch nicely first side. Then slowly sit down. Hold your big toe, calf muscles, hamstring. You can hold your big toe and stretch more. Breathe in up. We'll do two times both side now. Breathe out down. Breathe in up to left. Breathe in up to right. Breathe in up to left. Now last, breathe in up. Relax. Take your right leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe in front. Keep your front leg straight. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor with your hands. Begin breathe out. Get it a bit further forward. Touch the floor, forehead on your front knee. You will feel nice stretch into your calf and hamstring. Breathe in up. Change your leg. Left leg in front. Bend your back leg. Front leg straight. Touch the floor first. Hold the big toe stretch. Now swing your arms from the floor. Get it a bit further forward. Hands touching the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch, stretch. Relax. Now just standing still. We're done with all the warm-ups and everything. Now we'll just basically do some Surya Namaskar. Before that, we'll just do some breathing. So Samasthiti, this is Samasthiti. Palms facing in front. 2, 3, deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now just relax. I'll play the music for the Surya Namaskar. This music is coming from the speaker, not from the laptop. So the voice might be more, but then I won't be talking when the music is coming. So Arama, and then follow my instruction. Join your heels, your toes, and then namaskar. Wrist parallel to the floor.
सदा सवितुमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिंहासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरमाधवकरकुण्डलम् हरि हिरण्मयवपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रम्
So for first one, I'll keep the camera up. So ek, breathe in up, go up all the way. Look at your palms, biceps onto your side of the ear. And then slowly down, breathe out. Hands touching the floor, keep your knees straight. Left leg back, breathe in. Keep back leg, knee touching the floor. You can look at my position. Hands and feet in one line. Look up. Char, right leg back. Breathe out. Keep the straight line, no hump. Don't do like this. Keep it straight. Now hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Your hips should be up now. Breathe in up, come up like cobra. Your waist should be between your arms. Breathe out, go back all the way. Heels touching the floor. Neck tucked into your chin tucked to your neck. Breathe in, left leg in front. Back leg, knee touching the floor. Breathe out, number 2. Keep your knees straight. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasan. I'll keep the same now for camera. Breathe in up, go up. Breathe out, down. Touch the floor. Right leg back, breathe in. Breathe out, left leg back. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, go all the way back, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in, up. And then normal breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, left leg back. Breathe out, right leg back. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Try to keep it one line when you're bringing it back as well. Breathe out, right leg back. Breathe in, Namaskarasan, and then normal, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, Urdhvasan, look up. Breathe out, Utthanasan, look down, hands touching the floor. Right leg back, breathe in. Ek Pada Prasannasan, breathe out, left leg back. Chaturanga Dandasan, hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasan, Ashtangasan. Breathe in, Cobra, Bhujangasan. Breathe out, go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg will come forward. Breathe in. Ekapada Prasannasan. Left leg forward. Utthanasan. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Back to normal. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Keep knees straight. Left leg back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg back. Straight line. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Cobra. Breathe out back. Downward dog. Left leg will come forward. Breathe in. Right leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. Normal, breathe in, breathe out.
Pushni.
Okay, breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra, come forward. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Up, namaskar, asana. And then normal, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in, urdhvasan. Breathe out, uttanasana. Left leg back, breathe in. Ekpada prasanasana. Breathe out, right leg back, chaturanga dandasana. Hold your breath, ashtangasana. Breathe in, bhujangasana. Breathe out, adho mukha svanasana, go back. Now left leg will come forward. Breathe in, breathe out, right leg forward. Breathe in, up. Namaskarasana, normal, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, up, cobra. Breathe out, go back, heels touching the floor. Downward dog. Breathe in, right leg in front. Left leg front, breathe out. Breathe in, up. Normal, breathe in, breathe out. Now this one I will look on you. So breathe in, up, all the way, go up. Breathe out, down. Touch the floor. Now left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor, hips up. So you can, yeah. Now breathe in, cobra. Try to come up in front. Don't lift your body up. Breathe out, back all the way, downward dog. Now left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. And back to up, Namaskarasana. And then normal, breathe in, breathe out.
Savitri Namaha.
Okay, go up all the way and backward. Breathe in, breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Look up, look, give yourself nice stretch from your lower back. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, up, cobra, come up like snake. We are not doing push up here. Breathe out, go back, heels touching the floor. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Back to Namaskarasana, breathe in. And then normal, breathe in, breathe out.
Arakaya Namaha.
Okay, breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Look up. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, up, cobra. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Keep your knees straight, touch the floor. If you can't, Hold your calf muscles and pull yourself. Breathe in up, normal breathe in, breathe out.
ॐ भास्कराय नमः
Okay, breathe in up. Look at your palms. Breathe out down. Touch the floor if you can. Right leg back. Breathe in. Look up. Left leg back. Breathe out. Look in front. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Forehead, or you can do chin up as well if you want. Now cobra, come forward like snake and up. Breathe out. Go back. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Back to Namaskar Asana. Breathe in.
ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
This is 13th one. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We did 13 so far. Now we'll do 2 in one go. Okay. But we'll stop after one namaskar. Okay. We'll try to do 20 at least total. And then we'll play the ending slok later. So start breathing up all the way. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Go back. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Namaskar Asana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Then exhale. Then breathe in, go up again. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Cobra. Breathe out. Go back. Downward dog. Left leg touching in front. Right leg in front. And breathe in back to up. Namaskar Asana. We'll do 2 more. Breathe in up all the way. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Go back. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. Breathe in up. And then normal breathe in, breathe out. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we did 4. So just relax for 2 minutes. 1 minute maybe. We did 13 plus 4, 17. Then we'll do 3 more. And then we'll do the ending slok. So you can take some breaths. Okay, quickly we'll do the last 3, and then that will be 20. So come back into Namaskar. Make sure your wrists are parallel to the floor, your thumbs into your solar plex, feet together. Okay. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale left leg back, exhale right leg back. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale up, exhale, go back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, forward. Inhale up, and then normal breathe in, breathe out. Then you do one deep breathe in, breathe out. Then when you exhale and then start again, inhale up, exhale down. right leg back, inhale, left leg back, exhale. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, go back, heels touching the floor. Inhale, right leg in front. Exhale, left leg in front. Inhale, up, normal. Breathe in, breathe out. Now the last one, the 20th one. Okay. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Inhale. Right leg back. Exhale. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Left leg front. Inhale. Right leg in front. Exhale. Inhale. Back to Namaskar Asana. And then just keep in Namaskar sitting, but normal breathe in, breathe out. You can relax. We'll just do the ending shlok.
आदित्यस्य नमस्काराः ये कुर्वन्ति दिने आयुः प्रज्ञाबलं वीर्यम् तेजस्तेषां च जायते
Okay, just do Adama, hands down, relax. Relax for 30 seconds before we move on to the next session. So if you want to drink water or anything, just you can. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, now today we'll do flow yoga, vinyasa flow. It's just basically a combination of different yoga poses in one go. And then if we are doing on one side, we will do on other side as well. Okay. So for that, you can just come back now. Just we'll first do the standing one only. There are two standing one and one Vajrasan one. So three sequence. We'll see how much time we get. So relax. Maybe I'll try to play some music for this as well. Let's see. Okay, so first one is Namaskar sequence. Okay, so just keep your feet together, Samasthiti, palms on your side, hands parallel to the floor, keep in one line, palms facing up, go up, join your hands, Namaskar, keep Namaskar, and pull yourself up. This is the Tadasana. Stretch upwards like somebody hanged you, and you are hanging. So you should feel lots of stretch onto your shoulder joints, onto your arms. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly get your hands in front, Namaskar, the one that we do in Surya Namaskar. Now next one is Dhruvasana. So lift up your right leg with your hand, balance, and then do Namaskar as well. This is one of the meditation standing pose. Now next one is go up all the way, tree, Vrukshasana. This is the actual Vrukshasana. Now spread your arms with the mudra. This is the banyan tree, the actual white tree which gives balance tree as well, the tree which gives shadow. Now imbalance tree, one hand your one knee and other hand up. relax imbalance. Again, hands up, leg down, slowly hands down, palms facing down and down. So we did right side. Similarly, we'll do on left side now, same way, same sequence. Keep breathing in, breathing out, palms parallel to the floor, palms facing up. Join your hands up, pull yourself up, stretch nicely for 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Get your hands in front. Keep doing the normal, slow, calm breathing without. Now left leg lift up. Keep on your side. Don't keep on your knee at any time. You can keep on your thigh or calf muscles or ankles, okay, if you can't balance. But never on your knee. That's a warning. Once you're here, concentrate on your nose tip. Balance, balance. Once you balance, hands up. Again, pull up like the Tadasana. This is the actual tree pose, Vrikshasana. Now spread your arms, balance tree. Okay, keep a mudra. This is the balance tree. Now left hand down, imbalance tree, one arm. If you directly start imbalance tree, you won't be able to do it. Now back to Namaskarasana. Legs down, hands up, arms down, palms facing down and down, and relax. Just relax. Okay. I think I'll put the music down. So that's first one. Second one also we'll do standing before you go to sit down, so that if you want to adjust, then it will be difficult. So second one is warrior sequence, Virabhadrasana sequence, and then we'll start with Utkatasana. Utkatasana is chair pose. So basically, you keep your hands parallel to the floor, arms up, join your hands together, or you can keep it sideways and sit down on your thigh, 90-degree if you can. Do as much as you can do. Hands sideways to start with. Okay, now join your hands. Left leg go back. I'll put camera down now because you have to see the, yeah. Now left leg touching the knee and then look up. Look up at your palm. This is Anjaneyasana, high lunge position. Stretch. Now slowly come up. Now this time entire feet touching the floor. This is warrior one. Okay, 90-degree in front, back leg straight, and arm still up, pulling upwards. This is warrior one. Now warrior two, left leg, left hand back, right hand in front, and look sideways. First look sideways, get into position, 90-degree in front, left leg straight, hands pulled on both sides like somebody's pulling. You are playing tug of war, and then people are pulling your hands. Apply that much stretch. Now look onto right side, towards your middle finger of the right hand, the knee which is bent. This is the warrior two. Stay here for 3 count. Now we'll do reverse warrior. Left hand touching the knee, right hand up, look up towards the palm where they're meeting. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly come back. Your right elbow onto your left knee and left hand up. This is one line from your feet, your side of the body, your arms, your wrist. Look up towards your palm. Once you're in position, yeah, stay here nicely. 3, 2, 1. Now left hand touching the floor in front of your right leg. Right hand up, look up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to again, same knee, elbow on your knee. We go sideways. Do Anjaneyasana. Come forward. Chair pose. Stand up, hands down, relax. Just shake your leg. We did lots of activity on right or whichever leg you did. So that side, shake it. Now we'll do left. So I'll just change the direction. So again, feet together, hands parallel to the floor, up, keep it straight, and then bend down, Utkatasana, chair pose. Join your hands, right leg back. This time it's opposite leg should be in front, whichever leg you did before. Keep knees touching the floor. Look towards up. Your hands, this is Namaskar Ek position as well. Surya Namaskar 1. Look up, Anjaneyasana. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now back to warrior 1. Here, knee should be straight. Entire feet touching the floor in one line, left line. Hands up, your body also in left direction. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Now right hand go back. Now this time your right leg also comes on side, 90-degree between your feet, this feet and this feet, 90-degree. Hands parallel to the floor. Bend in front on the left, 90-degree here. First, get into position. Pull your arms from both sides like tug of war, and look onto left on the your fingertip of the left hand. Stretch here. 3, 2, 1. Now right hand touching your knee, left hand up, look up towards the palm, upwards. Reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3. Now your elbow onto your knee. Make nice 90-degree. Back leg straight. Right hand up. Look up towards your palm, and then keep looking. 3, 2, 1. Right hand touching down in front of your left leg. Left hand up. Look up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Hands on your knee. Now go sideways. Anjaneyasana. High lunge position. Warrior 1. Come in front. Chair position. Utkatasana. Stand up. Arms sideways. Relax. You must be feeling lots of stretch onto your left side. So that's basically, we're trying to work out on one muscle. That way we get more benefit. Now next one is sitting down position. So we'll just sit down and then we'll do relax as well for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So sit down in Vajrasana. You can adjust if you want to just sip of water. You can. I'll sit sideways. So Vajrasana is basically your big toes touching each other and you're sitting on your heels. Entire hip touching the floor, touching the knee, your heels, hands on your knees. We'll just do some breaths. Now we'll move on to the Vajrasana sequence, the last sequence for today. Again, there are different poses that we did before. So we'll do those and we'll just finish this sequence. So first one is Mandukasana, we already did. So knuckles onto each other. The big fist is below your navel. Okay, deep breathe in, breathe out, go down, down, keep breathing out. Once you're down, keep looking up towards your forehead. Try to look at the ceiling, don't look down. You should feel nice stretch onto your back as well. The backbone, the spine, keep looking up. maybe towards the wall at least. Hold your breath. If you need to breathe in, just hold for some time and then slowly breathe in and come up, come up, come up, come up. So this is very good for our, diabetes people. It's works on the pancreas and activates the pancreas and creates insulin. So it's very good for long term. Next one is same, but we'll just keep one fist, big fist onto your knee, below navel, and palm on top of it. So this is different way of doing it. Different way to apply pressure into your onto your pancreas. So deep breathe in, breathe out, go down, keep looking up, down, breathe out, hold your breath. You should feel nice stretch onto your spine. That will erect the spine as well nicely. Keep looking at the ceiling up or the at least the wall. Then breathe in and come up, come up, come up. Now next one is Shashankasana and child pose. Okay, so Shashankasana is like the hair pose. So just breathe in, breathe out, and walk your hands in front. Go, 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 go. Stretch nicely. You can just spread your knees if you want. Stretch nicely. Keep your wrist onto the floor. Your forehead in line with your elbows. Here we are stretching our shoulders, expanding our chest, opening our heart. Okay. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Try to keep your hips grounded onto your heels. Stretch nicely. Shashankasana is stretching the hair pose. Now next one in the same one, you can just get your elbows back. No stretch at all. This is child pose, balasana, restorative pose, recovering pose. You can get your hands back towards your heels as well. Keep them relaxed. Just no need to touch as well. You shouldn't be feeling any stretch at all. While doing yoga, if you run out of your breath or you feel exhausted, just do the child pose and you will feel nice, relax, and you'll restore your energy back. Now breathe in up, up, up. Now we'll do kneeling Tadasana. So come on your knees, 90-degree now. The body is perpendicular to the floor, legs on the floor, hand sideways, join up, and then lock your fingers like this and pull up, pull up, upwards, upwards. Now bend to left side, bend to left side on sideways only. Come in middle to right side, back to front, stretch upwards again. Normal breathing, breathe out. Slowly relax, hands down, 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 and on your side. Normal breathing, breathe out before we move on to the next one. Now your 4 fingers onto your hips, 8 fingers total, and then your thumb onto your lower back. Get a support, nice support, and then slowly bend backward. This is kneeling at the chakrasana. Put your neck back. Now try to touch, hold your heels with your hands, both hands. Go back, lift up your chest up. This is camel pose, Ustrasana. Your chest should be up like the hump of the camel. Neck is all the way back. Stay for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly with the support, come in front. Just slowly, gently, relax, relax. Just come down into Vajrasan. Relax here, relax. Now just come into cat and cow. So for cat and cow, I'll give you a distance, your elbow touching your knee. But before that, you can spread your knees a bit, shoulder width, elbow touching your knee, other palm in front. That is the distance for the cat and cow between your knee and palm. Okay, you can toes you can keep whichever you want. Okay, so here we breathe in and cow. Look up. You should have nice cow from head to lower back, curve, downward curve. Now breathe in cat. Now breathe out cat. Here your shoulder should be up and head should be down. Now nice curve upward. We'll do this two times, both the side. Breathe in cow. Hold. Breathe out cat. Breathe in cow. It's called Bitilasan in Sanskrit. Breathe out cat. It's called Marjarasan in Sanskrit. Okay, now relax. 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 That's about the yoga poses. We will now just get 30-second break before we move on to pranayam. Hope your body is nicely, sweating as well. You had enough stretches. We'll be doing some pranayam and we'll be doing the cyclic meditation where we are going to use our body as well, apply lots of tension, stretches, and then relax our body. So that will be sitting down only most of the time. We might stand up for some time for the. So if you want to, take a break just for 30 seconds, and then when you are done, sit into the Sukhasana, cross-legged, easy pose, hands on your knees. Breathe in, breathe out. I'll try to put the music via my player. That way it's easy. Just a second. Once ad goes, I'll start. Just relax now. Relax. Okay. Hands on your knees. Make a mudra, Jnana mudra. Index finger forcing onto your thumb. You can close your eyes. Most of the things I will explain. If you don't understand, you can open your eyes. So we'll start with Pranav. Pranav is the normal deep breathing in and deep breathing out. We'll do for 1 minute. Okay, roughly, or 10-second breathe in, 10-second breathe out. Close your eyes and then slowly start. Try to breathe in for longer and then exhale. Maybe try to do 5 or 8 seconds because 10 is maybe a bit longer. Last time. When you're done, just normal breathe in, breathe out, or you can continue doing this while I talk about the next one. Next one is Udgit. Udgit is basically chanting the Omkar. So we'll do this 3 times. So deep breathe in, and then while exhaling, we have to say U, and Ma. All the 3 syllables of the Om. Don't just say Om. You should be U, and Ma. You should feel the vibrations that generates, into your body. When you chant Om, it works out in our internal organs as well, completely from toe to head. So yeah, come into the position. We'll do 3 times. So deep breathe in. Try to prolong the M if you can. When you are done, normal breathing, breathe out. Before we move on to the next one is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is exhaling continuously through your nose, roughly one per second, one exhale per second. You don't have to breathe in explicitly. Okay. If you have basically any problem with the blood pressure or heart, so try to avoid this. Also, if you're pregnant or becoming pregnant, don't do it. Or if you are having periods, that avoid this. You can do normal breathing, breathe out while we are doing Kapalbhati. So breathe in and exhale. You keep doing it while I'll talk about it. So only thing moving is your tummy. If you can't do it properly, you can put your palm on your tummy and exhale. Push your tummy. This is to learn. When you exhale, you can experience, your body inhales as well for you. That is okay. If you have any heart or BP problem, you can always inhale as well properly. So you can, depending upon your body, try to do not move any part of the body. Keep your entire body still, only your tummy coming in and going out. Slowly stop. Normal breathing, breathe out. Now next one, we'll do Anulom Vilom, the alternate nostril breaths. So make a Vayu Mudra. Your index finger first onto your thumb. We'll be using our thumb and the middle finger of the right hand. So with right thumb, close your right nostril. Breathe in from your left. With middle finger, close your left nostril. Open your right nostril and breathe out from right. Now breathe in from right again. Close your right nostril and breathe out from left. This is one cycle. We'll do three cycles at our own pace now. Start. When you are exhaling on left, after third time, just stop, relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Okay, next, I think you can open your eyes. We are going to do Simhasan, lion pose. For that, can you come into this position on your knees? Okay, hands on your side, the lion position, neck up, face up, and then tongue out. I'll just put my mic up because I'm going to scream. You all have to scream as well. Wake up your neighbors. So scream loudly with your throat and tongue out. Do it one more time. When you're done, just massage your throat. Massage. Now sit down again. crossing your leg. Now next one is a bit difficult. Maybe you won't be able to do it, but we'll try. So basically, the name of the next one is Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi means loud. Okay. Victorious as well is called victorious. So what we do, we lock our throat, half throat. Okay. So that when we breathe in from your nose, it makes a noise like like this flute or anything. If you block, it makes a noise. So that kind of noise it will come. So you have to breathe in, and with effort keep breathing in, and then once you breathe in, you lock yourself down, your neck onto your chest, hold your breath inside for 5 seconds, then close your right nostril, neck up, and exhale through your left. Okay, we'll do this 3 times. I'll show you how to breathe in. Okay, so hold your neck or throat and then lock, hold, then close your right nostril and exhale through your left. This is a bit difficult, but it's good for throat. Anything to do thyroid or anything, it will cure slowly. We'll do 2 more times. So do at your own pace. So then lock, then close your right nostril and exhale and unlock. Last time again, contract your throat and then breathe in from your nose. Lock, jalandhar band, hold, then right nostril close and exhale. We'll do last one now. Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. So there are two ways. One simple way is close your ears and chant Om with your mouth closed, lips, tongue still. Or other is with your middle finger, your eyes, with your thumb close your ears, and with your last two fingers, your mouth. Breathe in and chant Om, but your mouth is closed, your lips, tongue is still. So you end up doing the humming sound. We'll do 3 times at our own pace. Mm. Hands down, relax. Just lift your hands up, brush your palms, make them warm, and then when they're warm, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes, and then massage gently to your eyes, to your forehead, side of the forehead, and back, and open your eyes. So that's about pranayam. Now we'll do the next part. We have only 18 minutes, so make sure for this one, if you want, you can just turn off the lights. I'll see if my lights, if I turned off, is okay. Yeah, it should be good. If you want, you can turn off the lights. If you have any candles, just keep them in front of you. Try make sure you don't get in distraction now, or no obstructions, or no from outside. Here we'll start with prayer, then we'll lie down on the floor, we'll stretch our body completely, then release our body, then slowly we'll stand up. And when we stand up, we'll be doing some balancing, and then we'll do right side Ardha Kati Chakrasan, left side Ardha Kati Chakrasan, then backwards Ardha Chakrasan, standing one, and then the number two of the Surya Namaskar. I'm telling you because hopefully, ideally, our eyes should be closed while we are doing this. But I will be doing the instruction, saying the instruction. So it's guided meditation throughout. I will also be doing so that you can see if you want to. So those 4 stretches, once we do that, then we'll again sit down, and again we go lie down and relax our body completely, and we'll chant some omkars to get some vibrations to our body, and then we'll finish with Vishwa Prarthana. So yeah, come into the position. If you want to drink water or anything, just get it and then come ready. Maybe in 10 seconds I'll start. I'll be saying the prayer. You can just listen in or say it in your mind. And this prayer is basically to do. It's called Avartan Dhyan in Hindi or Sanskrit, and cyclic meditation in English. Lay sambodhay chittam vikshiptam shamayet punaha sakashayam vijaniyat samapraptam na chalayet. I'll just read the meaning in English. I'll read it out so that you'll understand the meaning properly instead of me trying to explain. When the mind is in the state of drowsiness and stupor, stimulate it and awaken it. As it starts speeding up and it distracted, relax it. As it is relaxing, become internally aware of the change and stays in the state. Do it repeatedly. So we try to awaken our body, our mind, and then relax it. As it's going to relax, we again awaken it. The process leads to the subtler and subtler level of silence and bliss, so that our body try to go into the calmness. Such a practice brings about a total transformation in our attitude to the world, to the work and events. As byproducts, the stressful condition vanishes like mist. So this is the slok from our Vedas. Okay, so which we are going to practice. So keep your eyes closed now, your hands on your back, uh, pull your hands up, down, and then forehead touching the floor, and pray to the Almighty God, Sarvasaktiman Parameshwar, whichever God you pray, just pray to that God. Breathe in, come up, just be seated. Now, with the support of your hands, take out your feet on the floor. Make sure you know where you're going to lie down. Keep your entire feet touching the floor, your hands touching the floor as well. Support. Now, with the support of your hand and your spine, lie down slowly, slowly, lie down. Your head touching the floor, your entire body touching the floor, palm facing down, forehead facing ceiling, big toes facing ceiling. We'll just do some breaths. When you are breathing in here, fill your lungs with the air. Do deep breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly we'll start stretching our body. We'll start from the toe, okay, and then come all the way to the head. So your big toes pull towards your body and your soles away from your body. Stretch it. Then your heels, your ankles, stretch your ankles, your heels. Then your calf muscles, stretch your calf muscles. Stretch your shin, stretch your knee muscles, your kneecap, pull it up, kneecap up. Then your thighs, stretch your thighs, your lower thighs, stretch them. Squeeze your hips. So your lower part of the body completely stretch. Your hips are squeezed, so you'll feel nice gentle massage as well onto your hips. Now your waist, your navel area, stretch it. Now we'll just do a deep breathe in and fill up lungs with the air, and then expand our chest. So breathe in. That way your chest comes up. So keep it stretch. Stretch your ribs, stretch your shoulders, your arms, stretch your elbows, your wrist, your uh, fingers and thumb. Lock, make a fist. Your fingers tucked into your palm. Your entire body below your neck is now stretched. Your feet also stretch. Keep the stretch. Then your neck, keep stretching. Your jaws, your lips, your chin, your cheek. Now your nose, your eyes, try to stretch, like pull your muscles of the cheek, your forehead, your ears. Now your entire body stretch. keep stretching, apply lots of tension, apply lots of tension, squeeze your body, shrink it, shrink, more shrink, squeeze it, squeeze, and then relax, let it go. Your feet are apart, away from each other. Your toes are fallen onto different sides, let that be. Your forehead onto your side, your palms facing up. Just relax, apply nothing, no tension to your body. Your mind is now calm. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now this time, we'll just fill up our tummy with the air. As you breathe in, inflate your tummy. As you breathe out, deflate your tummy like a balloon. Just feel the calmness of your body. Do not try to sleep. Keep concentrating. Keep your concentration and concentrate on your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Inflate your tummy as you breathe in. Deflate as you breathe out. Do not let your mind wander anywhere else. Bring it back to your body and concentrate on your breaths. Just relax your body completely. Now slowly we'll just sit up. So with the support of your hand, do not flick your body. Do not rush. Uh, get your right hand up actually towards your ear. Left leg bend. Left heels towards your hip. Recovery position. Now with the support of your hand, sit up completely. Sit into Sukhasana. Relax. And then slowly with the support of your hand, stand up. I'll put the camera up while standing up. So when you're stood up, make sure your feet are together, okay, touching each other, your palms open on your side. Now the first one we'll do is Bhara Santulan, balancing the body so that the gravitational force comes to the center point of the feet. So at any time, do not lift your feet from the ground, okay? But like the pendulum, get your body in front. Lambak, in Marathi, it's called. Get it forward, then come back to middle, then get it back. Only 5 degree, not more. Okay, it should be one line like a pendulum, moves. Again, front, on more pressure on your toe and less pressure on your heel. Go back, go back. Now more pressure on your heel and less on your toe. Now come to center. Now again we'll do on left side. Try to just do a 5 degree onto left side. Do not lift your feet up. Back to center, to right. Just bend a little bit like pendulum. 5 degree only, not more. Do not fall. Just keep concentrating. Again left, left. Now right, slowly. And then now in the middle, stand still. So we actually found the gravitational center force for our body now. Standing still. Okay. Gurutva Madhya, as it's called in Sanskrit or Hindi. Now we'll do the Ardha Kati Chakrasana. So just follow my instruction. Try to keep your eyes closed. Your left hand onto your side of the thighs. Right hand lift up, parallel to the floor. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Palms, your hand is parallel to the floor now. Palm facing down. You can quickly see, you start feeling some stretch onto your wrist. Okay. Now palm facing up. Just palm facing up. Now slowly lift up your hand up slowly, slowly, slowly. Now it is perpendicular to the floor in line with the body. And then pull your arm up, the right arm up. Left hand is on your side only. And now bend sideways, Ardha Kati Chakrasana. When you're bending, your left hand is sliding down towards your knee onto left. And you are applying lots of tension onto your right side of the body, your waist, your ribs, your shoulder joints, your arms, then your wrist, the arm which is up, the right hand. You might feel lots of stretch onto your shoulder because the blood is basically more circulating there because of the gravitational force. You might feel numbness into your finger, into your wrist. This is because the blood can't reach there. Feel that, experience that, witness that. The blood flow, the stretch. Your shoulder and your right part is getting more stretch. Now slowly come back to normal Straight, slide your arms up, palm up on the left side. You might feel bit better as your blood went up towards your arms and to elbow, but not to wrist. Now slowly get your hand parallel to the floor. Keep palm facing up, up. Slowly parallel to the floor. Now your blood reach to the wrist. We can feel that, but not to the palm. Now face your palm down to the floor. The blood now started slowing, reaching to the palm as well. Now get your hand down, down, down. You will see how the blood is rushing towards your fingertip and you back to the normal. We did one round of stretching and now we are relaxing our body. Just gentle, normal breathing without. Now similarly, left side, left hand parallel to the floor, slowly up, 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 up. Once parallel to the floor, palm facing up. Once palm facing up, then slowly get your hand up all the way straight, 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 slowly, slowly, perpendicular to the floor. Now pull your arm up, apply some tension, bend sideways, your right palm touching your thighs, going towards your knee, and your left side, you're stretching your left waist, then ribs, then shoulders, shoulder joints, arms, elbow, wrist. So left side is now completely in stretch mode. Keep stretching, keep stretching. You can feel the blood is more circulating onto your shoulder joints because of the gravitational force. Feel that, experience that. Now you'll feel a bit numbness into your fingers, into your palm, into your wrist. You have to stay up to that much time at least. When you're practicing at your own time, you can stay longer as well. Here, 1 to 1:30, 1 to 1.5 minutes at least. Now slowly breathe in normal, come back, your palms, slide it up towards your thigh, back, your hands now parallel to the floor, perpendicular to the floor. Relax now a bit and then get your hands down, down, slowly get it down, parallel to the floor. Your blood is rushing towards your wrist, but not reach the palm. Palm facing it down. As you do it that way, blood reach to the palm and slowly hand down, down, down. And now we'll feel how the blood reach your fingers and relax. So this is second round of stretching and relaxation. Now next one we'll do Ardha Chakrasana. So I'll just do sideways so that if you want to look your 8 fingers onto your hips and your thumbs onto your lower back, on your the body below your waist should be perpendicular to the floor. Bend backwards, bend backwards. Once you bend enough, leave your head down, stretch. You will feel heavy in your head. Stretch, stretch. We're stretching our chest, our heart, and then slowly come up, slowly come up, come up. As you come up, you will feel light in your head, the blood flowing back to the chest and to heart and to the entire body. Hands down, down, relax. We just finished one more round of stretching and relaxation. Next one is the number 2 of Surya Namaskar, Pada Hastasana, Uttanasana. Now just deep breathe in, breathe out and slowly palms on your thighs only. Slowly slide down, down, bend forward, bend forward. Do as much as you can. Once you touch the floor, head towards your knee, keep your knees straight. Once your hands down, just loose them up. Do not touch the floor. Just keep them hanging. Here we'll chant Omkar. So deep breathe in. Feel the vibrations that get generated from the Omkar. Your head is a bit heavy because the blood is uh, stuck into the head, circulating into head because of the gravitational force. Feel that. Now slowly your hands onto your feet and with slowly slide your palms up and come up, come up first, your body parallel to the floor. Once your body parallel to the floor, then lift up your head and slowly stand up. You'll feel how blood, rush to your heart, your chest, and your entire body. Feel that, witness that. We finished one more round of stretching and relaxation. Now we'll sit down slowly and then lie on the floor. I'll just adjust the camera. So slowly sit down without flicking your body, without rushing. Now completely lie on the floor, your feet touching the floor. Then with support of your hand and backbone, lie down on the floor. Entire backbone touching the floor. Relax here. Just do some breathing, breathe out. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Slow, gentle, rhythmic breaths. Experience the breathing. Feel the air. The cold air when comes in your body when you breathe in. When you breathe out, the warm air comes out. Feel that onto your just above your lips, onto your mustache for the men. Just feel that. Concentrate on your breaths. Now we'll slowly start relaxing our body from toe. So just move your toes, move your sole, your heels, relax them. Then move your calf muscles, just relax. Then shin, your knee, kneecap, your thighs, your lower thighs, your hips, just relax. Lower part of the body below your waist, just relax. If they have fallen down, just relax, relax. We'll chant akar, the first syllable of the om. It gives vibrations towards the lower part of the body below your waist. Deep breathe in. Now we'll relax our waist, navel area, your back, lower back, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrist, your fingers and thumb. Relax them. Look up, relax them. Now lower part of the body below your neck is relaxed completely. We'll chant Ukar, the second syllable of the Om. It gives vibration towards the middle part of the body, to your solar plex, to your tummy, your chest, your heart. Okay, so deep breathe in. Now relax your neck, your jaws, your lips, your teeth, your cheek, chin, then nose, your eyes, nice gentle smile on your face. Relax your forehead, your ears, your entire body is now relaxed. We'll chant M, the third syllable of the Om, which gives vibration into your head, into your brain, into all your internal organs like your eyes, your ears, your nose. So it's very good for that. So deep breathe in. Your entire body is now relaxed. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Just keep your mind happy. Feel the calmness. You know, feel the relaxingness. Now slowly try to take your mind out from your body and get it out from your house and get it in the sky. Outside it was foggy in the morning. So if we were in India, it would be like bliss. And we go to the hill station to feel that wintry cold hill station. So just feel that your mind is in the sky. Try to broaden your mind like the big like sky. We'll chant Omkar, full Omkar, deep breathe in. And when you chant Om, just try to feel that you are chanting in the universe. You can feel the entire universe is yours. So deep breathe in. Feel like you are in the universe, in the sky. Your mind is now a bit broadened, wide enough as well. No stress, nothing. Just feel all happiness. Remove all anxiety. Keep your mind calm. Concentrate on your slow, gentle, calm breathing. Slowly take your right hand up near your right ear, left hand onto your chest, onto your heart. Now go sideways onto your right side. Bend your left knee. Come into recovery position. Stay here for 10 seconds. This is also very good position if you're feeling not well. So just breathe in, breathe out. Now with the support of your hands, lift your body up slowly. Sit into the cross-legged position, Sukhasana. Keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the Vishwa Pratana, the prayer for all. You can just say it in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'll read it down in English. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms. Your eyes must be closed, so keep them closed. Brush your palms, make them warm nicely. When they're warm, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Stay while your body temperature of the face and hand become same. Then massage gently your eyes with your fingers. Then your forehead, massage your forehead, inside of the forehead, back of the neck, and then slowly open your eyes and namaste. Just calm down for 30 seconds before you say anything. Just relax. We just did the cyclic meditation. Hopefully your day will be good. Your mind is relaxed now. It's calm now. Just feel that, witness the calmness of your mind. After this session, maybe you can just sit down for 5-10 minutes relaxing, just because we did lots of yogasana as well today, pranayam, and ended with relaxing our mind, our body. Slow down, and then yeah,